दोस्तों, आपको अगर हमारी वीडियो पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, घंटे को दबाएं, ऑल प्रेस करें हमारी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will talk whether you also face such a problem in Apple Pay. When you open the Apple Pay application and you see unable to connect to wallet services, try again later. If you are facing the same kind of problem and payment issue, application not working issue and simply Apple Pay application is not working, in today's video we will talk what is this problem and how to solve it. So friends, many of people are facing the same problem and same issue many people are facing. Many people are 58% fund transfer payment problem, app not working problem. So in this video we will talk some follow steps and simply solve this problem. First, you check your internet and Wi-Fi connection data to see if the issue is network related, and if any update is coming Apple Pay, then go to the your app store and simply update it. After back, make sure all required app permissions are enabled including internet. If you are using a VPN, simply disabled. If the problem still is not fixed, the application server may be a down or under maintenance. In that case, wait for some time and try again. So I hope you liked our video. So don't forget like to the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So let's you are getting latest video. Thank you for watching this video.